Are you living in the UK and looking for a way to earn extra income in 2025? The cost of living is rising, and side hustles have become more important than ever. So today, I'll show you 5 of the best UK side hustles that you can start right now, even with little or no money. These side hustles are 100% real, available anywhere in the UK, and can help you earn over $2,000 monthly if you stay consistent. Let's get started. Side hustle number 1, selling on Vinted or eBay. If you have old clothes, shoes, or gadgets lying around your home, don't throw them away. Apps like Vinted and eBay UK allow you to sell pre-loved items easily. Just take a few pictures, upload them, and list your items. Many people in the UK are earning £200 a month by selling things they don't even use anymore. And once you learn the process, you can start flipping, buying cheap items and selling them for profit. Side hustle number 2, freelancing online, Fiverr, Upwork. If you have any skill, writing, designing, translating, or video editing, you can sell your services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Freelancers in the UK are charging $20, $50 per hour for their work. Even beginners can make $500, $1,000 a month from freelancing. It's flexible, remote, and perfect for anyone with a laptop or even a phone. Side hustle number 3, food delivery jobs, Uber Eats, Deliveroo, Just Eat. If you have a bike, scooter, or car, this one's for you. Food delivery apps are always hiring riders. You can earn around $10, $15 per hour depending on your city. Work in your free time and easily make $400, $800 a month. It's one of the most common and reliable side hustles across the UK. Side hustle number 4, renting out spare room or parking space. If you have a spare room, consider renting it on Airbnb. Many hosts in London and Manchester make $1,000, $1,500 monthly. And if you don't have a room, no problem. Even a parking space near the city center can earn $100, $200 per month. It's passive income. You earn while you sleep. Side hustle number 5, TikTok and YouTube automation. Yes, social media is no longer just entertainment, it's business. If you post smart, trending content consistently, you can start earning from ads and sponsorships. You don't even have to show your face. Channels like PoundPath are growing fast with finance and business content made for UK audiences. All you need is consistency, quality voiceover, and catchy thumbnails. Bonus tip: combine your side hustles. For example, sell items on eBay, do freelancing in the evening, and upload content on weekends. With this strategy, you can easily earn $2,000+ per month in 2025. So these were the top 5 UK side hustles that actually work in 2025. Don't wait. Pick one, start small, and stay consistent. Remember, small progress daily becomes success tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm ready to start my hustle. Thanks for watching PoundPath, your guide to earning smarter in the UK.